Now, whether you're a local or even a visitor, you might have noticed a big drop in the temperature. Our meteorologist Paul Drews takes a look at what Oahu has experienced over the past day and what we can expect with this next round of stormy weather conditions.
The islands get a chance to dry out after heavy rain and thunderstorms move through. But flash flooding fears will go up again later this week. A day after downpours hit Windward Oahu, dumping up to 8 inches of rain in 24 hours, streams are still swollen with runoff. But the latest round of rain only caused minor flooding on roads or low-lying areas.
But what really matters when you're talking about flash flooding is how hard it's coming down, say in like the inches per hour. So when you start getting 2, 3, 4 inch an hour rates, that's what really brings the water up very quickly because the drainage systems can't handle it. The basins, it all gets converted to runoff instead of soaking in. And then streams and creeks and urban drainages fill up very quickly.
Take a look at this video from Waimea Valley on Oahu's North Shore. Even though there are only light showers there, the tranquil trickling falls turn into a gushing geyser as runoff from the mountains comes rushing down the stream.
You don't want to be near any creeks and streams. You want to be aware that it does not have to be heavy rain where you're at to get flash flooding. The water was going to come down the hillside, down the mountain, and can come to you. So if you hear thunder up over the hills or you see signs of heavy rain, you need to take that seriously. And
these teenagers on Maui learned that lesson the hard way as the water in Iao Valley turned into a raging torrent, trapping them on rocks in the middle of the stream. They had to be airlifted to safety by Maui Fire Department crews. When the rain came down, so did branches, according to Hawaiian Electric, which knocked out power to tens of thousands of Oahu residents. Kapunahala Elementary was closed even after the rain let up because of a power outage and low water pressure at the school. The next weather event this week, a Kona low passing to the north of us, could cause even more problems. More flash flooding, and not just for the usually wetter windward sides, but also leeward areas. It's also expected to produce some damaging wind.
Once we get into this event, could see wind gusts maybe 50 or 60 miles an hour or higher from those southwesterly winds going up and over the islands and accelerating as they come down.
While you can't stop the weather, you can be prepared for it. Along with staying up to date with the latest forecast, there are things you can do to get ready for the possibility of severe weather striking.
If you are in an area where you've had power outages and strong wind events before, you probably want to check up this week to make sure you've got some non-perishable foods and you've got chargers for your batteries, or if you've got fuel for a generator, whatever you need.
Paul Drews, Island News.